In this video, I will show you how to check if NotebookLM includes Gemini Pro as part of your Google AI subscription. I'm starting on the NotebookLM home screen, where I can see the main dashboard containing my personal notebooks and featured research examples. To verify my current subscription status, I'll switch over to the Gemini web app and navigate down to the Settings and Help option located in the bottom left corner of the sidebar. From the menu that appears, I select Manage Subscription, which redirects me to my Google One membership management page. Here, I can see that I am currently on the Google AI Pro plan, which provides 5 terabytes of storage for my photos, Drive, and Mail. I want to see exactly which AI features are active, so I click on See All Benefits to open the detailed breakdown for the Gemini app. The information here confirms that this plan includes the Gemini app with 3.1 Pro as well as limited access to the VO 3.1 video generation tool. After closing that window, I scroll down a bit further to the NotebookLM specific benefit and click on it to see what higher access really entails. This pop-up explains that I get the highest level of access to Gemini models for complex research, along with significantly higher limits for interactive features like audio and video overviews. Now, I'll head over to the main Google One plans and pricing page to compare how these features scale across the different membership tiers. I can see the monthly breakdown for the Google AI Pro plan, the 10 terabyte premium plan, and the high-tier Google AI Ultra plan. As I scroll through the comprehensive feature list, I can see that all of these professional AI plans include access to the 3.1 Pro model and the enhanced NotebookLM capabilities. By reviewing these specific plan details, I now have a clear understanding of how Gemini Pro powers my research and content creation workflow within NotebookLM. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.